Windows already includes powerful security features. The problem is, many people never turn them on or even know they exist. I'll show you 5 built-in Windows security features, where to find them, and which ones you should keep enabled. Let's start with the first one. First is Virus and Threat Protection. This is Microsoft's built-in antivirus that helps protect your PC from viruses, malware, and other threats. Open Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click Manage Settings. Make sure real-time protection is turned on. I recommend leaving this enabled so Windows can automatically detect and block threats. Real-time protection helps stop threats on your computer, but another feature helps stop unwanted connections before they even reach your PC. Next is Firewall and Network Protection. The Windows Firewall monitors network traffic and helps block unauthorized access to your computer. Go back to Windows Security. Click Firewall and Network Protection. Open Domain Network. Make sure Microsoft Defender Firewall is turned on. Go back and do the same for private network and public network. I recommend keeping the firewall enabled unless you're troubleshooting a specific network issue. Your computer will be better protected from unwanted network connections. Viruses aren't the only threat. Some attacks don't steal your files, they lock them. Here's how Windows helps protect against that. Now let's look at Ransomware Protection. Ransomware is a type of malware that can lock or encrypt your files and demand payment to restore them. Go back to Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down. Click Manage Ransomware Protection. If controlled folder access is off, I recommend turning it on to help protect your important files. Some trusted apps may ask for permission to access protected folders. That's normal, and Windows will notify you if it happens. Even if a dangerous file gets downloaded, Windows has another feature that can warn you before you open it. Another important feature is reputation-based protection. It helps warn you about potentially harmful apps, downloads, and websites before they can cause problems. Go back to Windows Security. Click App and Browser Control. Click Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Leave the available protection options enabled for everyday protection. You'll receive a warning before running apps or files that Windows considers unsafe. Most people will never need this last feature. But if malware refuses to go away, this could be the one that removes it. Finally, let's look at Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Most people won't need this very often. But if you think your computer is infected and a normal scan can't remove the malware, this is one of the best tools Windows provides. Go back to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options. Select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Click Scan Now. Your computer will restart and run the scan before Windows fully loads. Because malware isn't running yet, Microsoft Defender has a better chance of finding and removing hidden threats. Those are 5 built-in Windows security features that help protect your computer, your files, and personal information. They're free, built into Windows, and worth checking to make sure they're enabled. Which Windows security feature do you think is the most important? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.